Morning science students, today is Wednesday, September 30th. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about your course today. So we're going to scroll down, we'll go to week 5, and then we'll go to Wednesday. Make sure you take your daily attendance Wednesday. Look at the very bottom, it says, are you missing any work? Today would be a great day to work on it. Email with any questions. So there's lots of you in all my classes that are missing some assignments. If that is you, get some of those assignments in. Check your campus gradebook. That is fully updated. If you've turned something in yesterday after about 2 o'clock, it is not updated, but I will get it updated. So make sure you get that done. Turn it in. Again, email with any questions. So your tasks beyond the missing work today are your falling objects video quiz. So you're going to click on this link. Your view is going to look just like this. And here's your instructions. You're going to cut and paste each of these 3 links. Now what I've found is you can just click the link and it shows up right there as a new tab. If for some reason that does not work, you can copy and then go to a new tab, paste it, and there you go. All right. So those are your 3 links. Make sure you have all 3 links up at the same time. Watch each video, and then you're going to, after you watch each video, you start a new attempt. And when you start a new attempt, you just have some questions right here, total of 10 questions. There is the video link for you as well, but I would definitely watch the videos first. All right, so make sure you are doing the best you can. If you do have questions, you can always email me, but really try hard on this. And make sure you review answers, and then you submit. And I can't submit because I haven't answered everything. So review and submit. That is the plan for today. Again, your falling objects video quiz, I just described that. And then you really use today to get some missing work in. All that's going to do is help your grade. All right? Email with questions. I will see you all Thursday and Friday. Have a great day.